Welcome to this video, how parents can use Go School Messenger. This is how to sign up and how to use it on the web. Before we can get started, you'll need a couple of items. One, you'll need a personal email address. And two, you will want to make sure that you've shared your email address with your student's school office. You will not be able to continue unless you've shared your email address with the school office. Go School Messenger is your one-stop application on the web and also on mobile for all communications with the school district, school site, and teachers for your students. This will allow you to receive text messages, voicemail, and email, and also to respond to them. We'll be starting here on the web for how to sign up and how to use it on the web, but you're going to want to take a look at our other video for how to use Go School Messenger on your mobile device. So let's get started on the web. On the internet, head on over to the website go.schoolmessenger.com. Then click Sign Up in the top right corner, and this is where you'll enter your personal email address and the password you're going to create for this account. Remember to keep track or write down the email address and password that you're using so you can log back in again to School Messenger. And then once you've done that, click the Sign Up button. Now you have to go check your personal email to verify your account. So go ahead and head to your email, and you'll see that you'll have an email waiting for you from Go School Messenger. It looks like this. It says support, account activation. Click the link in that email, and now you can sign in. Just log in with the email address and the password that you use to create for School Messenger. Once you type that all in, then you can click the blue login button and you're logged in. You will see a pop-up if it's okay to call you at the number listed. You just use the drop-down menu, choose yes or no, and then go ahead and click save to save those options. So let me give you a tour of School Messenger. This is a great application for communication with the district, school sites, and teachers. So this is the main view that you're going to see all of your messages, and you can click on each message to look at them. In the top left-hand corner is your menu. First, I'll show you, you can change your language. Just click the drop-down arrow here and choose the language of your choice, and then everything will be in that language. You can change it back just by going to the same location. The first main area is all your messages, and you can filter this by clicking the drop down here to choose what type of messages you want to see in this main view. All you have to do is click on the message to review it. Only school sites, the district, and the teacher can initiate a message in School Messenger. When you click on a message, a couple of areas that you have are you can look if there was an email, a voice message, or a text message associated with that. Again, this is how that's being pushed out to you by the teacher, school site, or the district. But some of those messages will even allow you to respond to them. In the top left in that menu, if you click Preferences, this is where you have your contact information, your email address that you're using, and you can see what's associated with it. You can click on those different areas to see what properties that you have. Again, with the email address, what items that you have turned on to receive email notifications on. So you definitely want to take a look at the preferences. Just make sure all these are turned on for how you want to get them with your phone or email. So take a look at the School Messenger preferences as you get started. Headed back to the main menu hub in the top left. Next, we'll look at contacts. So if you click contacts, you'll see all the students that you're receiving information for. You can also click the link here to synchronize back with the school district. Make sure that you are seeing all your students. If you're not seeing all your students, you can use this link and enter your phone number and verify it's your phone number. And it will look up any students associated with your personal email and phone number. Join groups. This is an area if your students at after school club, athletic club, they might give you a group code so you can see messages from that club right here within School Messenger. Back to the main menu hub, you also have links to the mobile apps for Apple iPhone and Google Android. Let's go back to messages and let's take a look at a couple different messages and different styles. When you click on a message, anything highlighted in blue is how you can review that communication. So in this case, this message, it was a voicemail that you can listen to. Anything grayed out means you didn't get communication in that way. So let's look at this one. This one that's highlighted in blue is text and voicemail. And again, you can click on those links to see play the voicemail, read the email, or read the text. Now let's take a look at a message that might have the ability for you to comment on. Again, this is set up by the school site or teacher to allow comments, but you'll see a text box like you see here that you're able to type in that allows for you to respond. You can also click the paperclip to attach any files that you want to upload or send out, and click this button to send your post. And when you're all done, don't forget to click that hub menu in the top left corner and click log out. To receive text messages with School Messenger, you will need to opt in. To do this, you will text the letter Y or the word yes to 67587. Just a reminder, message and data rates do apply that you have on your own personal account, and you may opt out at any time by replying to any text message that you receive from School Messenger with the word stop.